In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Lucky Wheel on Unbounce website. By the end, you'll have a fully functional spinning wheel that can boost engagement and capture leads right on your landing page. First, head over to Common Ninja and look for the spinning wheel widget. This is the tool that powers the Lucky Wheel experience. Once you open it, you'll land in the editor where you can set up everything without touching code. Think of this as the control center for how your wheel looks and behaves. Now, customize your wheel. Start by defining the prizes on each slice. These can be discounts, freebies, or whatever incentive fits your offer. Give each slice a clear label and, if available, adjust probabilities so the most common rewards align with your campaign goals. Update the text to match your tone, add a short description or disclaimer, and fine-tune the colors and fonts so the wheel fits your brand. For design, preview both desktop and mobile to make sure the wheel is readable, not blocked by other elements, and doesn't overwhelm the page. In behaviors, set when the wheel appears, on page load, after a delay, on scroll, or on exit intent, and consider frequency controls so users don't see it too often. If the widget supports it, enable limits per visitor and add any required consent text to keep things compliant. When you're happy with the setup, save your changes and click Add to Website. You'll see an embed code, usually a short script snippet. Copy it. Treat this code like a key to your wheel. You don't need to modify it. Next, switch to your Unbounce page. You can add the wheel in two ways. The simplest is to drag a custom HTML or code element onto the canvas where you want the wheel to appear and paste the embed code there. If you prefer to manage scripts globally for the page, open the JavaScript panel and paste the same code. Choose a placement that ensures proper loading. Before body end. Tag is a solid default for most widgets. Either approach works. The first gives you precise placement on the page, while the second keeps your layout clean. Paste the embed code, save your page, and publish. After publishing, open the live URL to see the wheel in action. If you don't see it immediately, refresh, test in an incognito window, or check that any ad or pop-up blockers are disabled. Give it a quick spin to confirm prizes display correctly and that the look and behavior match your earlier settings. That's it. Your Lucky Wheel is live on Unbounce. Thanks for watching and enjoy the lift in engagement.